Your IT Minute with MTMG.
People who can address problems before they're problems realize a cost savings. One that we utilize fairly frequently right now, people have multi-properties, thinking about real estate property management or people who own a portfolio of hotels, using things like leak detection systems, being able to install sensors throughout the building infrastructure to highlight a problem before the problem really becomes a big problem, right? Digging up, finding the leak, fixing it, and resealing back up here could be a very costly and time-consuming process. Or even better, just monitoring all your energy consumption, a better understanding of when you're using energy and how you're using energy to figure out if there are things that you can be doing to shift how you're using energy inside your building, whether or not it's shutting down when no one's in the building or reducing where nobody's present. You have to start being better about how you manage your energy, and IoT can be a great solution in that.
MTMG, guidance that empowers.